Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Lashes online channel with Victoria. Today, I'll be showing you the process of individual lash extensions, along with an overview of all the materials I use in my work. I hope you enjoy this filming format. I'm looking forward to your feedback, and please don't forget to give this video a like. Let's get started. I've received a lot of feedback from my viewers, so I've decided to offer you a gift, a free guide on lash adhesive, where I've compiled the most important tips for working with lash glue. To get this guide for free, you need to subscribe to my Instagram page and comment "guide" on the latest post, and I'll send it to you for free. The first step is applying the eye pads. These are sold on AliExpress, and if you need a link, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll send it to you. The packaging of the eye pads must be light pink. These pads stick very well and don't have excess moisture. After applying the pads, I add a layer of paper tape on top. This helps in two ways. First, it secures the pad, and second, if a fan sticks to the paper tape, it's easy to detach, whereas if it sticks to the pad, it's almost impossible to remove. Next, I use a lash cleanser. I mostly use the Lovely brand in my work. It's available in different countries and can also be ordered on eBay. This is not an ad, I genuinely love this brand. I feel like I should be getting paid for how much I mention this brand in my videos and comments. But no, it's just my favorite brand. Let's take a look at the lashes I used in this set. I decided to go with lengths from 7 to 13 mm in C+ curl. Here's the box that contains lengths from 8 to 15 mm. I always recommend buying each length separately, as it reduces the cost of the procedure. But to start, you should definitely try mixed lengths. I place the lashes on a lash palette, which I position to the right of the client's head. I also place my glue palette there and add a drop of glue. I've been using the Lovely Neo glue for many years and am 100% confident in it. Of course, I also use two curved tweezers and a mirror to check my work. Now let's talk about the technical aspects of lash extensions that you should always follow. First is the lash gap. The gap should be about 0.5 to 1 mm from the eyelid. This prevents irritation and ensures comfortable wear. If the gap is too small, the lashes can rub against the eyelid and cause discomfort. Second is avoiding stickies. During the procedure, it's crucial to avoid lashes sticking together when multiple lashes or natural lashes are glued together. Stickies can damage natural lashes, hinder growth, and cause premature lash shedding. To check for stickies, the lash artist should use tweezers to separate all the lashes and make sure each extension is attached to a single natural lash. Third is lash direction. Proper lash direction is key in classic lash extensions. Each lash should be attached perpendicular to the eyelid at a 90-degree angle. While other lash directions exist, this one is considered the most correct. It creates a natural and neat effect. If lashes are attached at the wrong angle, it can ruin the overall look and appear messy. Don't forget to select the right lashes for each client. For classic extensions, lashes with a diameter of 0.07 to 0.1 mm are usually used. These provide a natural look and comfortable wear. The length is chosen based on the client's natural lashes and the desired result, typically ranging from 6 to 13 mm. To select the right length, take a lash extension and hold it against the client's natural lash. Ideally, the extension should not exceed the natural lash by more than 2 mm. But of course, if the client requests very long lashes, you should take that into account. Also, choose the curl based on the client's eye shape and natural lash curl. Remember that lash extensions should enhance the eyes and not weigh them down. In individual lash extensions, one extension is applied to each natural lash. However, if there are areas where there aren't enough lashes, I'll apply 2D fans to make those areas appear fuller. You'll notice in the video that I applied 2D fans in some places. All these steps help create the perfect lash extensions that are both comfortable for the client and long-lasting. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more lash extension secrets, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.